Hi grades 4. So today we are looking at our very last lesson on angles, and we are looking at this exercise. So page 114 in your workbooks, and it is just one page exercise. And in your textbooks, you are following page 77. Okay, so this is the page you're looking at. So for this exercise, what you need to do is you're looking at, and again, grades 4, it's for this exercise, exercise 44, all you need to do is follow question or task 9. So the reason I am telling you this part is because this part is going to help you finish this page. So what's good thing about this is you may not need your protractor, but just so that you get to practice it, I would still like you to use your protractor. However, for this exercise, even if you don't have it, you may not need it. So please listen to my lesson and instruction carefully. So on this page, page 114, exercise 44, I'm going to read the question. It says, find the unknown marked angle in each of the following rectangles. So all of these shapes, all of these angles, they have given you a number. For example, in A, they've given you 60 degrees. You need to find the other side. Okay, so where they've marked a little circle, half circle, you have to find the other side. Now, here's what you need to listen to. For this, guess what? All of these angles, so when you find the missing one, for example, I'll show you the first one. It says it's 60 degrees. The other one would be 30, okay? Why is that? Because when you add up 60 and 30, it's 90 degree. All of these angles are acute angles, and they are going to measure to 90 degrees. Even the acute angle, I understand it's not 90 degree, but what I'm telling you is when you find your missing angle, both of those numbers are going to add up to being 90. So for example, this one is 60, the missing one is 30, 60, 70, 80, 90. So both of these numbers should add up to being 90. Now, if you are using your protractor, what you're going to do is you're going to place, watch this, I'll show you. You're going to place your protractor right on this line in the middle one. So because we are finding this angle, I'm going to place my protractor right over here. Yes, over here. And if you see, it opens up to this line, goes all the way to 30. Do you see it? This line. It goes all the way to 30, and that's how I found my missing angle, by measuring it. And also, I know that all of these missing angles, when you add both of these numbers, the missing number and the number they've given you, it will add up to being 90. So I'll do one more, and then you get to finish the rest of the 4 on your own. So here we go, our B. So they've given us 55, right? The angle is here, it's 55. We need to find the other side. So this one. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to place this line, this one. Do you see it? This one right over here. Here. And it opens up to 35. It opens up to this line over here. This line, it goes to 35 on this when I read my protractor. So 55 plus 35, if you add them together, it adds up to being 90. So that's your clue for this exercise, that all of your missing numbers, when you find them, they will both of those numbers will add up to being 90. Okay, that was your lesson for today, which is for Monday. So on this sheet, you should check off, after you're done this exercise, you should check off lesson 10. Okay, And once that's done, this was our last lesson on angles. We're not completely done. We will still be looking at angles. We'll still see angles, but they wouldn't be necessarily about either drawing or finding. Okay, and I will see you next time for our lesson 11.